Today I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely delicious crispy chicken Caesar wrap. This recipe makes 2 wraps, it only uses 1 chicken breast. It's absolutely delicious and you don't want to miss it. So we're going to begin by preparing our chicken, and I've got 1 chicken breast here, and all we're going to do is simply butterfly it open and then cut it into strips. And then once you've done that, all we're going to do is place the chicken into a mixing bowl. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon or 3 grams of ground garlic, a good pinch of salt, and a good grind of black pepper. It's up to you how much black pepper you want to use. And then get your hands in there and give everything a good mix together. And now next we need to breadcrumb the chicken. So you're going to need 2 plates and a bowl in the middle. The bowl is for an egg, so we'll go ahead and we'll just crack that straight in there. And then in the first plate we've got 50 grams of plain flour, and then the plate on this end we've got 40 grams of panko breadcrumbs. Give your egg a good whisk. And you can also add just a drop of milk in there, not too much, just probably about 20 mil in there, just to loosen it up. And then we're going to breadcrumb the chicken. So first of all, place it in the flour until it's fully coated. Shake off any of the excess. And then place it into the egg. It's good practice to swap hands here so you don't get sticky hands. Let any of the excess egg drain off and place it into the breadcrumbs, and go back to your dry hand that you use for the flour. And it's as simple as that, and you should have some nicely coated breadcrumb chicken right there. Repeat the process until it's all complete. You can now place the chicken to one side while we'll have a little clean down before we make our Caesar dressing. Place into a food processor 20 milliliters of lemon juice, 5 grams of Dijon mustard, 1 clove of garlic, 2 anchovy fillets, 50 grams of Greek yogurt, 30 grams of mayonnaise, and 20 grams of Parmesan cheese, or in this case I'm using a mature cheddar cheese because I like the flavour of it. Add in a pinch of salt and black pepper, and then give everything a blend until it's smooth. Taste it to check the seasoning and adjust the lemon juice, salt or pepper if needed. Transfer your Caesar dressing into a squeezy bottle if you have one. If not, don't worry, you can just spoon it over the chicken later on. And for the final bit of prep, we have got 60 grams of romaine lettuce, but any crunchy lettuce will do for this, like a baby gem or even an iceberg will do. Whatever you've got, or whatever's cheapest, or whatever's most available to you. And all I'm going to do, they've been washed, I'm simply just going to chop it up into 1 to 1.5 centimetre slices, and then we've got this lovely crunchy lettuce ready to go into our wrap. So next, we need to cook the chicken. To cook the chicken, place a heavy based pan or cast iron pot over a medium heat. Add in some oil suitable for frying, such as vegetable oil or sunflower oil, and you don't need to add too much, just enough to be around 2 inches in depth. Heat the oil to around 180 degrees Celsius. You can use a temperature probe to check it, or place in a cube of bread, and if it's golden after 1 minute, then you're good to go. Place in your chicken and cook it until it's golden and crisp on the outside, and it reaches around 72 degrees Celsius in the centre, and it's best to do it in batches. Remove the chicken from the oil and place onto a plate lined with some kitchen paper. Repeat until all the chicken is cooked. While the last few pieces of chicken are cooking, place a frying pan over a high heat, and this is just to warm your wraps through. So before we assemble our wraps, we just need to dress our lettuce. So simply place your lettuce into a mixing bowl. So you just want to dress your lettuce just a little bit, saving some of the dressing back. And then we're going to grate over about 20 grams of cheese. Now this can be Parmesan cheese or anything that you like. I'm actually using cheddar because that's all I've got here, and it adds a lovely saltiness and tanginess to the recipe anyway, so use whatever you've got. And give it a good mix around until the leaves are coated. And now we're ready to assemble the wraps. Onto one wrap, place half of the dressed lettuce and then stack up half of the crispy chicken. Drizzle over some more of the dressing and then you're ready to wrap it up. Simply tuck in the sides and roll it up. And then I like to wrap it up in parchment paper and tighten up the ends as well. And then you can simply cut it in half. You've got some nice pieces of parchment paper to keep your hands nice and clean as you eat your chicken wrap. So that's how I make this absolutely delicious crispy chicken Caesar wrap. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.